In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timer on video in CapCut PC. If you need to place a running countdown clock, a stopwatch, or any kind of animated visual timer over your video project. This is one of the easiest ways to do it inside CapCut on your computer. We'll be working with CapCut's built-in sticker assets, then placing that timer directly over your footage and adjusting it so it matches your video perfectly. To begin, go to the top left area of the CapCut interface and click on the Stickers tab. This is where CapCut stores a wide range of graphic overlays, including animated timer elements. Once that panel opens, look over to the vertical navigation area on the left side. Scroll through the available categories until you find the section labeled Time. If you want a faster route, you can also use the search field at the top and type in the word timer. That will quickly bring up the available live clock, countdown, and stopwatch style templates so you can see your options right away. Take a moment to browse through the timer designs and choose the one that fits your project best. Some styles are more minimal while others are more attention-grabbing, so pick the one that works well with your footage and the type of video you're creating. Once you've found the timer you want to use, click and hold that thumbnail, then drag it down into the timeline. Drop it onto track 2, directly above your main video track. This is important because placing it on the track above your footage allows the timer to appear as an overlay instead of replacing anything underneath. As soon as you release it, you should see the timer appear in the preview window layered over your video. Next, you'll want to adjust the timer's duration so it lines up properly with the part of the video where you need it. Click once on the timer clip in the timeline to select it. Then move your cursor to the right edge of that clip until the resized double arrow appears. Click and drag that edge left or right to shorten or extend the timer's length. Keep adjusting until the end of the timer matches the end of the section you want to highlight. This helps the timer feel intentional and keeps it from staying on screen too long or disappearing too early. And that's it. You've used the Stickers tab to find a timer, searched the time library, placed the graphic above your footage on the timeline, and adjusted its length to fit your edit. Once that's done, your timer will play neatly over the video and end exactly when you want it to.